At our webinar today, we taught you how to trade the end of the day setup using futures and the NinjaTrader platform. Today, right before Intel's earnings, we traded both of those setups for winners, and we took a scalp after Intel's earnings. Our software puts the orders on the chart, double explosion. We made money in our regular prop account on the left, and on the right chart, we made money on the MNQ in our funded prop account. 2 winners, 1 trade. Then 5 minutes later, we took our second end of the day trade. We taught you in the webinar. There's a 1550 Eastern time trade and a 1555. Here's the 1555, beautiful winner, multi-$100. Then Intel came out with their earnings. They were early, so we didn't trade the earnings. We put on a scalp. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Over $900 profit in our eval. We turned our funded prop account positive. A great end to the day, teaching you exactly how we trade the end of the day as we showed you in the webinar. See you in the trade room when you become a member.